Good morning, good morning, good morning. You're live. Make sure I get everything set up. Alright. Let's go ahead and share our chart. So we're working with, before we do anything though, let me go ahead and let's do the verse of the day. Verse of the day is Romans 6:15. What then? Shall we sin because we are not under law, but under grace? By no means. Romans 6:15. That is the verse of the day. All right, here is what we are working with today. We got our areas of interest. Let me go ahead and put the code. Let me go ahead and pin that into the chat. Yo, what is up with my mouse? There we go. There we go. And I'm gonna play some music in the background.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it.
Alright, let me just wait. If price breaks one of our lines, we'll be looking to enter on the continuation in that direction. But we will wait and see. I guess while we wait, we can play a game. right into that one. I'm gonna leave them there and start walking these pieces up. Okay. I don't know what I was thinking doing that. What was the dumbest move I could have done? I'm playing so dumb right now. Okay. Let's get rid of this for a second. Excuse me. did look like we were gonna break that for a second. A hold above. Let's see if we do. I had 10 seconds to see if we can hold above here. It doesn't look like we're going to be able to. No, so we'll wait for the next candle. See if we can't hold above here. You got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. think we're gonna bounce from here. Still waiting. I see a strong close above this line here. And get back to this game that I'm about to lose. Excuse me. Screwed myself, dude. I go here. He's gonna jump me there. I go here. He's gonna jump me there. I go. We gotta get them separated. So I'm gonna have to go here. I go here. He's gonna jump me, but he can't double jump me. So we'll give up 1 to take 1. How much time? We got 1:12 left in this candle. Looks like we might get an entry here, so let's go ahead and get set up for that. 50 seconds. Dang. Maybe not. We still got 22 seconds. Three, two, one. That's what it looks like there. See if we get filled or not. Take it as rejecting. See what happens. Nuts. Let's pull up our news real quick. guys can see. Don't have much today. Got some CAD news. You got USD Empire State Manufacturing Index. It's orange folder news. And that's pretty much it. It's just at 8:30. And we've got, let's see, tomorrow we got some red calendar news at 8:30. Core retail sales and some other yellow folder news at 9 and at 10. So probably be expecting a lot of movement tomorrow. Wednesday, FOMC at 2. Expect the market to go crazy at 2. It was this Thursday. Employment claims at 8:30. And then it's kind of chill the rest of the day. Friday, no news, pretty chill. So that is the news. For this week. Great opportunity to get yourself an account and pass it this week. Just trade it during the news and look for a couple points. Should be able to pass it in one trade. So if we start to really sell off here, I'm going to get rid of this this order that we have placed. Actually, go ahead and finish our checkers game. Sacrifice one. This guy's in the corner. Got him up. Got him. Nice. Nice. And the games can we play? Let's play solitaire. Alright, we can go ahead and get rid of this. Let's get rid of this real quick. This order. We might take this stab short here. I just see a lot of room to the downside here. If we can break this, close below, I don't see why or what else would be stopping us from continuing lower for at least a point. We got 3 minutes though, so I'll wait and see what happens. Let's get this off the screen. We might be getting an entry. not. Might bounce off this area. Still got about a minute left in this candle. Wait and see what happens. Ten seconds left. We'll take a shot at this.
Stop fill. Stop fill. Stop fill. Stop fill. Stop fill.
Yeah, we finally got into our full position here.
Order fill.
Beautiful trade. Very nice, very nice. Take that. First trade of the day. We had price kind of bounce back here on the 5 minute and push up. We took out this high. We've seen price selling off pretty aggressively. We got this candle to break and close at or kind of below where price bounced previously up. I know that there was good buying action here because we pulled back and we were able to push up so much that we broke this previous swing high. So I figured if we're gonna break and close at this area or below it, we will need a lot of sellers in the market. You get a lot of sellers, typically we can get some continuation. I look to the left to see, hey, where is there any area that price might bounce where there's some buyers. We had this little area here, but the most recent or the area of more probability where it would bounce is down here in this area. and we were only looking for 1 point, and we got it. So price was able to push down. Price will probably continue to push down to these lows. But yeah, that was the first trade of the day. Good trade, quick trade. That's what we like to see on these scalps. A nice just immediate flush down to take profit. So we got that. And we'll just wait for another setup. We can actually get rid of this line. Let's see if we can get back to our game. Alright, let's see if we can complete a game of solitaire. 3 can go there. We don't have anything else. We need to get rid of this 5 and 6. I need a black 7. There's a red 7. I need a black 7. This will work. Not another 9. where now it should just automatically do the rest of them. Oh, I gotta do this first. There we go. Bang. Last live stream, I could not win one of these games. It felt impossible. We did it this time. Let's see if is there any other games I could play with them. I guess we could do Wordle. A. Alright, hold on. I want the what's that game? So I need to download the game. I'm not trying to do all that. Let's just play Wordle then. Alright, I'm gonna need y'all's help. 5-letter word. What's the strategy to this game? Should I just do all vowels across A-E-I-O-U? Can you even do that? Okay, so it's got to be a word. That would make sense. Through trade, I mean, that's what we're doing. Okay, so we got an A, it's just not in the right position. So it's not here. It could be here, here, here. I don't think it would be in the front. So five-letter word. Let's do A in this second slot. There's no T, R, D, or E in this word at all. No T, R, D, or E. W. No E. Oh my goodness. Okay. no, E. Why am I only thinking of words with E? I was gonna do maybe. I was gonna do maple. Why can I not think of a 5-letter word without an E? Y'all help me out in the chat. Only thinking of letters but E. This is insane. I know that A is in this position. You can't repeat letters, okay. B-A. Can't think of a word. No R and no T. And no D. Like, what other words? No D. No T. No R. I mean, I can't think of any words like at all. Okay, hold on. A-L. O is in the wrong position. O is in the wrong position. 1 second. Gotta make sure everything on my stream is running good. Yep. Okay. A-L-O is in the wrong position. A-L. There's not two L's. So A-L. No E. Oh, no E, dude. O can't be in that position. E. Why I can only think of E words with an O. I mean, this is ridiculous. I need some help from you guys in chat. I cannot think of a word. A-L-O. No, that wasn't a word. Like all the words need an E. Not a word. I'm just trying anything at this point. I mean, if the O's not there, the O would be here. I just don't think it's gotta be here. The O's gotta be here. I don't know, guys. It's not really my last time playing this game. A-L-O. I mean, we knew that O. It's no H or another A. No E. No, it's not alone because it can't be. It's not alone. Alone, 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 alone. Along. A-L-O-N-G. Along. That was satisfying to get, but that just made me really, it just made me feel really dumb. I don't know if I like that. Is there another one we could try? Or is it just one a day? Give me another one. I want another one. Give me another Wordle. It does look like we're pushing back up here, you guys. Off this break. Or not break, but this just push down. We're actually getting some bounce back up. So what we'll actually do is we'll add another line here. Just to anticipate this being a swing low, or not really a swing low, just it's just the area we'll keep our eye on. And the reason because, like I said, we came down here and we're kind of pushing up out of this area. And my thought process is if we're pushing up like pretty strongly, I mean, it was pretty strongly for the session that we're trading. It was about 3.5, 4 points up. So price decides to come back down and we break this area. I'm thinking, hey, the only place we can continue going is lower to these wicks down here. So if we can grab like a point or so lower, then we'll do that. But if price bounces from here and continues up here, then we'll look for something up here. But we have to look for that. So in the meantime, Wordle. 5-letter word. Oh, okay. EA and a P. Just in the wrong place. So E can't go here, A can't go there, P can't go there. But there is a P. Like a plea, please, plural. Okay. PL is right. Oh, I should have known that was low key a waste because these can't go here, but at the same time it was low key good because I got PL. PLA. No. PL. I'm assuming E is going at the end. Let's just confirm that with a word that we have E at the end. No need. Because that was the word. Wow. Dang. Okay. Okay. I see why people play this now. Can I get another word? Or is that it? Oh, it's giving me another chance. Okay. Alright, 5-letter word. Alright, so we go again with, we'll do this. Another P word. Okay, just not no. There's no A, there's no E. So we got IOU. IOU. And P is not in the front. Okay, P's in the right spot. There's an H and there's an O. P is in the right spot. There's an H and an O. PH. This is gonna be tough. There's no I. The only vowel is O. Well, I don't know. That could be U. The first word could be. It would be something like. I think O would be next, and then like, and then PH. So what? I don't even know if that's a word. Would it be PH or could it be P? Something else. It couldn't be E. Yeah, that's not a word. Gosh, this was tough. Okay. Words with H and P in it. With no I. I need your help on this one, chat. This one's tough. C-O-R-O. O is in the right spot. H is at the end. There's an R. P-H. P is here. R is there. So it'd be C-O-R-P-H. Right? Okay, now we just gotta find the right. So it's not C. Morph. M. Okay then. Okay then. Hey. Alright. I see the hype behind where. Behind Wordle. Gosh, big yawn. I see the hype behind it. It's rewarding when you get the word right, and it's kind of tough because like nobody's thinking of the word morph. Like, all right. Let's use plate again. No plate. IOU. Let's use hippo. Well, I can't even use P. Oof, okay. Can't use E. Can't use E. Use E. I think not using E is the worst one, though. Use D. O is in the right spot, H is in the wrong spot. Okay. Wait, O. This has to be O. Okay, there is a RN. Oh, that's the only. So HO R is not there. Could N be there? Han. No, N's probably at the end. HO N. It's some letter, H-O. RN, would it be RN? Or maybe it's N. N. What other letter could it be? SR? Nope. IR? It's not even a word. I might need your help on this chat. So yeah, okay. It's not N. N's not right there. N's not there. So N's at the end. And R's right here. So it's gonna look like that. H-O. Word. H-O something R-N. So word that I know. R-N. N can't go here though. No. BB. CR. X. SR. No. It's gotta be RN. I can't. It's not. Doesn't work there. That doesn't work there. K doesn't work there. M doesn't work there. J doesn't work there. F definitely doesn't work there. B doesn't work there. V doesn't work there. C doesn't work there. X doesn't work there. Z. It's supposed to be a word. I don't know. W is not gonna work there. Wait, yeah, W doesn't work there. So it can't be RN then at the end. It must be N something R. N. IR. I already tried that. NMR. It's another O. That one. Okay. There's a RA. is a RAE. R can't go here, can't go here. A can't go here, A can't go there. E can't go there. So let's start with, I guess let's start with A. R can't go there. Okay, let's start with so E for sure goes there. A doesn't go there. So R has got to go here. No, R is at the end. A is either here or at the beginning. A, E, R is at the end. D, E. I didn't use A, idiot. D, E, A is here. D, E, something, A, R. D, E, something, A, R. D, E, something, A, R. What can I say? What can I say? I'm done with Wordle. I'm done with Wordle. It's time for another game. Honey, coffee. Coffee's right there. I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, it's a lucky guess. Spaghetti's up here. Spoon is right here, right? Yeah. Celery's right here. I don't. Celery's right there. Corn and probably somewhere down there. Booty is right here. Wait, booty's right here. Honey, honey. Corn, corn. Dang. Yo, what's up? How's it going, man? How you doing this morning? We're just playing some games, waiting for us to get an entry. I already had one winning trade today. I just seen the ice cream. Oh, where was it at? Ice cream's right there. Okay, ice cream, bang. Cupcakes up top. Cupcake is like here. No. Excuse me. I know where the shrimp is. Shrimp is right here. No, okay. Oh my god. No. Oh, that's right there. Okay. It's a cupcake. Remember apple? Well, there's somewhere I haven't clicked because is it down here? No. Oh, it's right there. Okay. It's right there. Right there. This is in this corner down here, isn't it? Yep. Yams is, yeah, they're right beside each other. Donut is up here. Nope. Cupcake though. Donut. Corn right beside each other. Acorn. So what are you looking at? I am looking at gold. Trading the micros. Yeah, we're looking at gold. Our first trade was here. You can see it on the screen. We just caught a portion of this move down. And now we're just waiting for another opportunity. But yeah, we're just looking at gold. What are you looking at this morning or trading this morning? If anything, or are you just tuning in? coming up to our zone here. See if we can't get another trade soon. See if we can't get a poll going, seeing how everyone's doing this morning trading. The poll, how's everyone's P&L looking this morning? Green, red, break even. Are we even trading? Are we just sitting here? What's going on? Talk to me, let me know. I voted. Dylan, what's up, my guy? You missed the first trade this morning. We took a winner right here. I was at 645. Dylan, what do you look to, what market do you trade? You trade gold, NQ, whatever, just let me know. Gold and NQ. So what am I looking for? I'm just looking for a break of session support or resistance where sellers or buyers stepped up or sellers stepped up in this early morning session before the market opens. I'm just looking for a break and close above that, and then I'm just looking for a little continuation beyond that area, and then I'm just using kind of common sense and my experience in the market to decide if I want to enter a trade. For example, back here, I'll actually clear the charts to better explain. So back here we had a minor support right here. So all this was happening, price got to here, and I saw we had a minor support. We had price pushing up pretty aggressively, and then we had a small pullback, and the price continued to push up. Price pushed up so high that it broke these highs over here. So my thought process is, okay, there's obviously strong buyers here, enough to push price so high that it breaks this previous high. So I see price coming back down to this area, and my thought process is, well, if there's enough buyers in this area to push price higher, then price is going to come down here and it's either going to bounce, or there'll be even more sellers than there were buyers last time, and price will continue lower. Well, I'm like, where could price continue lower to? Well, we had this area here, but it was already sold through. So I'm thinking, well, the only place price could go is lower to these lows, somewhere down here. But it doesn't matter because we're only looking for 1 point of movement for our take profit. So I just put my stop loss, or I put my entry right below this wick here at 3678.6, and I'm just waiting for price to flush through. That's exactly what we got. Push down, we got our 1 point. But that's what I look for. That's my thought process. And yeah. But now we might be getting another entry here possibly. So are you looking for longs? I'm looking for longs or shorts. It's whatever the market gives me. This here was a short, but if the price breaks above here and holds, I'll be looking for a long. It does look like we are getting some selling pressure here. We still got 3 minutes left in this candle. Here's another good example of if price does close below this zone here, this support, then we might get a little continuation down to this low somewhere in here, but we're just trying to catch 1 point before that happens. But yeah, we'll see. And we are just coming up off these highs. We got a pretty strong rejection down. It pretty much is going to kind of be the same play that happened last time if we can get a break and close below. Price came up, bounced off here, broke this support. We caught a little short down. Kind of be the same thing. Price came up, broke support that it made. But we still got about 2 minutes left in this candle. I want to see this close pretty strong below our line. So I'm long on gold. Nice. Where exactly did you get in, Dylan? What price did you get in at? $68. Nice. Looks like that might be working out for you. Off the fair value gap. Talking about this gap here from 3678.6 to 3679.7. What are you looking to target? Or are you just letting it run, or you trailing it? How you managing this trade? TP at 68.2. Oh, so you're already out this trade. Caught about what, 2 points? That's nice. It's a good trade. Good trade, good trade. Quick scalp, 30 micros, nice. Very nice, very nice. We got about 2 minutes left in this candle, and then we're coming up on top of the hour at 8 o'clock. So there'll probably be some more volume at top of the hour. Is that one of those highs? Yeah. Yeah, I'm already knowing, man. Already knowing. Pushing down a little bit. So we can't get a break in this last minute before 8 o'clock. There we go. Just be ready to fire off on this. If we hold below, we got about 10 seconds. So we look like
Stop field.
all right. Let's see if we get some follow through here. Short. I'm gonna fix my mic real quick. Slow in the swing. How's it going, man? I was wondering when I was gonna see you back in here. We got the OBS up and running now. Yeah. Just got back from Vegas. Okay. How was that? Maybe did the casino beat you, or did you beat the casino? He said not bad. I went to check out the Sphere. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, I want to go check that thing out. I only seen videos and pictures of it. It looks pretty cool. He said they got my money. Yeah. I know how that goes, man. Said it's the best. What were you just checking it out? Or was there a concert in there, or was it? I mean, I don't really know how it works. You just go in there and look at it, or you have to have a ticket, or what? The Eagles? Oh, that's cool.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It didn't take us out of all our orders, so we just went ahead and moved that to break even. We still got about 5 contracts on. So, but we did hit our take profit of that at one point. It's just mean, I guess it's just struggling to take us out of all our orders. We'll see if we get filled on the rest of them here.
Order filled.
2 more, nice. And there's all 18. Beautiful trade. Took a little bit longer than I would have liked. It just, that influx, like I said, of top of the hour volume, I knew that we were going to get at 8 o'clock. We got it, pushed up, came back down, tried to push up, and then we eventually, like I said, hit take profit of our zone here. That's 2 good trades on the day. Sloan saw Pitbull as well. Dang. It sounds like you had a good trip. OBS looks and sounds good. Hear music, awesome. Yeah, hopefully I'll continue using OBS, and like I said, I'm just getting used to it. I mean, it is pretty, like you said, Sloan, it's pretty easy to use. It took me about 20-30 minutes to figure everything out, how to set everything up. But if you guys in future streams have any suggestions, anything you want to see, as far as music you want to hear in the back, I mean, I just pull it up on YouTube and play it there. Also, any games or anything. Today we were playing some Wordle while we were waiting for an entry, because like I said, a lot of the time, let's see, we were on stream for what, 2 hours, and we were in trades for, this one took 5 minutes and this one took about 10-15 minutes. So like a fraction of the time that we're on stream, we're actually, you know what I'm saying, entering a position. So yeah, if you guys got any suggestions for any games or anything you want to see or hear, I'm all ears. But with that being said, that is our second trade of the day. So I will be ending the stream, but we'll be back again tomorrow at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to continue trading. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.